She and her husband Tom Brady reportedly bought a $20 million TriBeCa condo in 2016. And on Wednesday, Gisele Bundchen was seen carrying a hard hat in the same neighborhood as the property 70 Vestry, which will finish construction soon. Gisele, 37, played up her enviably svelte legs in a pair of skin-tight faded jeans, clashing them elegantly against pristine white sneakers. The Brazil-born modeling icon wore her wavy hair down when she was seen ambling over a zebra crossing with her hard hat in her hand. At one point, she was snapped sharing a hug with a bearded man whose hard hat was on and who wore a bright orange polo shirt. In August 2016, Page 6 broke the news that Gisele and her husband since 2009 had snapped up a property at 70 Vestry. With a porte-cochère and a view of the Hudson, the building was designed by architect Robert A. M. Stern, whose prior work includes 15 Central Park West. Gisele and Tom's home in the building was said by Page 6 to boast 5 bedrooms and to be spread across a whopping 5,000 square feet. The gossip outlet noted that Tom's ex-girlfriend Bridget Moynahan also lives in TriBeCa along with her 10-year-old son by him, John. Meanwhile, Gisele, who was already with Tom when Bridget gave birth to his son, shares 2 children of her own with the New England Patriot. Their son Benjamin is 8, and their daughter Vivian is 5. Early this past December, Curb New York reported 70 Vestry was nearly done being built, with a central courtyard planned to be finished this month.